Do you know that TikTok might be banned in the United States and some other countries? Do you know why? It's not just about funny video or viral trends, it's about privacy, data collection, and concerns over national security. TikTok practices have sparked global debates, raising questions about what it knows about you and how it uses that information. But is TikTok really different from platforms like Facebook or YouTube? And more importantly, how can you take control of your privacy while using TikTok? In this video, I'll reveal exactly how TikTok collects data, why the US wants to ban it, and what you can do to protect yourself. Stick around because I'll show you step by step how to audit or delete your personal information. Let's get started. TikTok collects user data in three main categories. The first category is user-generated data. This includes your name, age, email, phone number, profile information, content you upload, and messages you send and receive. Second category TikTok collect is automatically collected data. TikTok gathers device details like your IP address, phone model, carrier settings, and location. It also tracks keystrokes patterns and rhythms to understand how you use the app. The third category TikTok collect is third-party data. TikTok integrates data from connected social accounts, advertisers, and publicly available sources. What's alarming is TikTok's ability to track biometric data like face and voice prints, and it use of 14 tracking contacts with 13 from third-party domains. This makes TikTok one of the most innovative platforms out there. Alright, so here's the deal with TikTok. Imagine you have got this super popular app that everyone using, but there's the big drama brewing behind the scene. So ByteDance, which is basically a Chinese tech company, owns TikTok, and US lawmakers, they are losing their mind over this. Why? They are worried about two major things. First off, they are scared that the Chinese government might swoop in and grab American user data, like all those videos, messages, everything you're doing on that app. It's like having someone peek into your digital diary. And second, they are concerned about content manipulation. Think about it. What if a foreign government could basically control what millions of Americans see every single day? It's gotten so serious that the courts are basically telling ByteDance, look, you have got two choices: sell TikToks to US operation, or we are shutting down completely. Now, before you think this is just a picking on TikTok, let me be clear. Facebook, YouTube, they are all collecting massive amounts of data also, right? But what makes TikTok different is how deeply it tracks user information and its direct connection to a foreign government. For US officials, that like giant red flag waving right in their faces. It's not just about an app anymore. We are talking about digital privacy, national security, and who gets to control the information pipeline in the digital age. Pretty weird, right? Okay, now I am open my TikTok app, and this is my account. I'm open from my mobile. Now I'm going to show you how to limit data collection with TikTok. Now tap on privacy in the settings menu. Normally you go in here and you can see settings and privacy. So once you're in here, under the data and privacy heading, you go into the privacy in here. So the first thing you need to do, you sync accounts. You can see sync contacts and Facebook friends. So make sure this is turned off to prevent TikTok from accessing your phone contact list. you go to sync contacts Facebook friends, and I'm going to uncheck this one. And also you can do remove previously synced contacts. So you can do that and you can remove that. So now it's gone. Even sync Facebook friends, sync contacts, going to use both. Everything done. Going back again. Next, also under data and privacy, you will find AD personalization. Let me go back again. Privacy. Forget where is the AD stuff. Believe in here. Account. Oh, yeah, in here. So you can see under AD, like toggle these two off as well. So TikTok can't use your activity data to serve your target ads. You can see in here. So now they cannot target your information for third party. Now I'm going to do a clear activity. I'm going to do a confirm. Okay. So you can, we receive your request. You can request to clear your activity every 24 hours. So we are done with that. Going back again. Finally, consider making your TikTok account to private. This will restrict who can view your videos and profile information. Now, if you read that private account, with private account, only users you approve can follow you and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. So now when you click that, it's telling you to turn off AD authorization ? To switch to a private account, you'll need to turn off AD authorization by tapping turn off and continue. Your videos will no longer be available for third-party advertisers to use in AD campaigns. So I'm going to turn off continue. You can see now this is a private account. Whoever not my friend list cannot see my video. Moving on, let's take a look at the account privacy section. There's another settings. You'll find some additional privacy focus settings. Okay, so if you see, if you go down, suggest your account to others in here, this option, make sure this turn off. This will prevent TikTok from recommending your profile to other users. If you don't want to use this, like recommending your profile to other users, like your contacts, I don't need to recommend my contact list. I have a TikTok account. Did you ever notice that when you in the TikTok, you will suddenly pop up your friend in TikTok, right? Even a different kind, like WhatsApp or Facebook or any kind of things, it will pop up when you register. Hey, like Mark just joined TikTok, or Mark just joined WhatsApp, like those kind of stuff. So this is the one. So if you don't want to the other people who using TikTok and just pop up, hey, IT Samurai teacher open a new TikTok account, or he's on TikTok. I mean, I don't want to show that. If for a business purpose, that's fine. But personally, I don't want friends to pop up my stuff that I'm in TikTok. Because it's okay to close friends or family, but because my contact list have so many people, like my office people, my business people, I don't want to tell them to like give a hint I'm on TikTok and they can see it. So I don't want to do that. So that's why I'm going to disable that. Facebook friends, even in the Facebook, you have so many friends, like not only your close friend or relative, you have different kind of people, like your office people, your business people, or some other people. You don't want to show them you're on TikTok and suggest your account to people who you don't know, or probably you want to prevent. So disable that too. And the third one is people who open or send links to you. It depends. I mean, if you're doing business, if you're earning from TikTok, it's up to you, and just think about this, and if you want to keep this one open or not. I'm going to keep this one open, but if you're personal, private, probably it's good to disable. Now the next one is in the account friends. So let me go find the friends section. Okay, if you want to disable who can message you, if you go down, you can see direct messages. Under direct messages, you can see everyone. In the top, you can see allow direct messages from everyone. So everyone can send you messages, right? So I recommend changing this to no one or friends to limit unwanted direct messages. But you can say no one or you can say friends. So friends can send you messages. I'm going to change suggest friends. So whoever like me, because I'm doing YouTube channel, since people who want message me, they can message me. I'm not going to use everyone because I'm going to getting unwanted messages. Just in case if you're getting unwanted message, junk, so please make go here and change this to suggested friends or no one. It's depend. Don't use everyone. You will get bunch of messages every time, unwanted messages. So I change this as suggest friends. I'm clicking that. Now the next one you can see in here, safe mode. So enable restrict mode, an extra layer of protection. This feature helps filter out potential major content. So if you don't want, if your kids are watching your YouTube TikTok channel, you don't want to measure content, so make it safe mode. So now, so you can say safe mode. If you click this, is a safe mode. If this one is not safe mode, okay. So message containing sensitive content from potential unsafe resources will be filter requests until you reply to them. So make sure you click this and make sure it's safe mode, so you don't get unwanted adults only stuff to TikTok while you watching something and suddenly your phone grab from kids, and because these days kids also watching this stuff, so make sure you are in the safe mode, right? Okay, one final step I recommend is to download a copy of all your data TikTok has collected about you. This can done by tapping a download your data in the account section. If you go to the account, you can see in here download your data. So once you click this one, so you can request. So requesting this data report may take a few days, but it's crucial that you review it carefully. This will allow you to see the full scoop of information TikTok has stored about you, which can help inform any further privacy actions you may want to take. Now you can see request a copy of your data from the TikTok apps you use to back up your account to export or to another service. Select the download. You can see all the download. If you go to download data, you don't have any requests. So I'm going to request all my data, and I'm going to click done, and I'm going to say request data. Now it automatically jump into download data. Now it says when your file is ready for download, it will be available for 4 days. If you submit another request, your system will be expired. So you can see request date December 10th. Now once you get the data, you can see what kind of information TikTok has gathered about your privacy. So then you have a concern and you have get a good idea what to take next action. Now I know that you might be thinking TikTok can't be the only social media app that's collecting all this data, right? And you're absolutely correct. Let's take a quick look at how TikTok privacy practices stack up against some other major social media platforms. You can see in here, platform TikTok data collection is extensive, tracking capability high, 13 third-party trackers. Facebook is moderate, YouTube moderate too, 10 first-party trackers. As you can see, while TikTok data collection and monitoring capabilities are certainly more invasive than most, the reality is that most social media apps these days are gathering a significant amount of user information. The key is to stay informed and proactive about protecting your digital privacy across all the platforms you use, not only TikTok. Before we wrap up, quickly review a few additional recommendations for safeguarding your privacy online. Normally, you use a mobile antivirus solution, detect and block any suspicious tracking attempts. You can use enable two-factor authentication on your TikTok account and other social media platforms. You can do regular review and update your privacy settings across all your apps and online accounts. I know logging in, there's also various security concerns. So be cautious about connecting third-party apps to your social media profiles, as this can expose more of your personal data. See, now if you have Facebook, you jumping through first Facebook account, you log into different apps and you expose all your information. So you need to be very cautious about what you're doing at this digital age. Believe me, it's very high security risk these days now. So remember, digital privacy is ongoing battle, and no single solution is going to solve all our problems, all your problems. But by staying vigilant and taking these proactive steps, you can significantly reduce the amount of personal information that apps like TikTok have access to. Right, there you have it, a comprehensive overview TikTok's privacy landscape and the steps you can take to protect your personal data. I know we have covered a lot of ground, but I hope you feel empowered and better informed about the realities of using social media apps in today's digital world. If you have any other questions or want to dive deeper into these topics, please don't hesitate to let me know. I'm always happy to help expand your knowledge and equip up with the tools that navigate the ever evolving landscape of online privacy. Stay safe out there. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care.